Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I did a video with this long time ago, probably a few years ago when Windows 10 started. We noticed that there was app suggestions, there were games that were suggested for us and all sorts of tips, and we kind of wondered, what is this annoying pop-up information that we get into the different menus and the start menu in Windows 10. So, of course, Windows 10 is one of the first operating systems where Microsoft kind of pushed a little far and started giving us suggestions and even advertising apps that we probably never need, because most of the apps advertised aren't apps that I wanted. And, of course, that can annoy a lot of people. So there are ways to stop having these tips and these suggested apps in Windows 10. Simply go and right-click the Start button. Go into your settings. And in the settings, you will go into System and Notifications and Actions. The first set of boxes that you see here are all boxes that will actually have different notifications. So the first one is Show Notifications on the Lock Screen. So this you can actually leave it on if you want to have notifications of, say, emails or maybe calls from your phone, stuff like that. But and these three first suggestions or boxes are not linked to anything ads. But the three last ones here are: one is Show me the Windows welcome experience after updates, and occasionally when I sign in, to highlight what's new in suggestions. So that you can remove with this check mark, removing the check mark. Suggest ways I can finish setting up my device and get the most out of Windows. That also you can remove the check mark here. And finally, get tips, tricks, and suggestions how you use Windows. You can remove that check mark here. This will stop giving you unwanted pop-ups or suggestions everywhere in the start menu and so on. It is sad that Microsoft went that way, because honestly, it is, in my sense, I think it lowers the quality of the operating system itself. Having ads within apps in the store is one thing. Having ads within the operating system, I think it's a different game, and that should not be. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching my videos.